Ever wondered which tools you need to get started with your art journey? Do you really need those fancy art supplies? Well, hello there. If you're new here, I am Zeba and I make videos related to art. And in this video, I'll be showing you guys what tools and devices I use for my artworks. So stick around till the very end and do let me know in the comments which one of these do you use. Before we jump right in, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so that you never miss a new video. Okay, so let's dive in. So, as most artists, I too started with traditional art. I got these drawing pencils by Camlin from a local store at my place, but it's also available in Amazon if you guys want to buy these. I'll be attaching the prices for these somewhere on the screen. So these pencils work quite well for me. At that time, I had no blending stumps or anything. I used tissue to blend up my sketches, and it worked quite okay. Here are some sketches that I did using those pencils. With time, as I got more confident with my art, I decided to invest in some good art supplies. I bought these graphite pencil set of 12 by Brustro. I hope that's what it is pronounced as. And I have been using these since. I got these off of Amazon. Along with these, I also got these blending stumps and a battery operated eraser. Apparently, you could use these eraser as a drill or to carve or even for manicure with different attachments. Well, I'm just happy using it as an eraser. Here are few sketches of the time. While I was getting better with my sketching and shading, I drew only from references. I never had any professional guidance in art. I learned mostly through YouTube, and while scrolling around, I was exposed to the world of digital art. And it fascinated me so much that I ended up buying a drawing tablet. It was from the company called XP Pen. It came along with a stylus and additional 5 to 6 nips so that you could replace one when it wears off. This actually is a very good option if you want to get started with digital art and don't want to spend much on other high-end tablets. I used it with my laptop and the software I used at that time was Autodesk Sketchbook, which is also available free of cost. When I was somewhat familiarized with how digital art works, I wanted to try a different software. When you think of digital art, you think of this software, and that, my friend, is our very own Procreate. And as Procreate is only available on the Apple Store, so I ended up buying the iPad. Mine is the iPad Pro 2021 third generation, and I also got the second generation Apple Pencil. I'm currently using this as my main device for all my digital artworks. And it's quite handy. Like you can go for illustrations or water paints or just simple rough pencil sketches. The variety of brushes available in this app allows you to choose the different types of art out there. Also, if you made any mistake or you don't like your drawing or the colors you've put in don't seem to go well with the drawing, well, there's an undo button. So, there you have it. These are all the things that I've used as a beginner artist for my artworks. I'll provide you with the links to all these things that I've mentioned in the video down in the description box if any one of you are interested to check those out. And even though I upgraded my art supplies with time, you don't need to. As long as you have a piece of paper and a pen or pencil, you're good to go. If you have any queries or just want to know more about these products, let me know down in the comments. Also subscribe for more such artsy content. Thanks for watching and I'll meet you all in my next video. Until next time, cheerio!